Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6. We will be presenting our material about disease control on grape plant. Our team is Rizkia Hubba N with student number 139. Gagas Candra Pranata with student number 138. Rizal Zaka Nurhakum with student number 143. Rumampuk Yunita with student number 199. And Joshua Adam Olivia Clavo with student number 190510.
Again, good morning, everyone. So today I will discuss and elaborate the introduction. So grape is a plant that grow climbing with the privilege that its branches can produce dense fruit. Also, grape are a plant that having amazing adaptivity in various climatic and environmental conditions so that they can be grown and cultivated in cold, subtropical, and tropical areas. The vein is creeping sharp with a length of up to 10 meters, around leaves with jagged eggs and pointed ends. Also, flowers are arranged in panicles around or slightly oval fruits measuring minus equal 2 centimeter. Smooth skin, various color, sweet and sour flesh, and contains 2 to 4 seed. Grapes are used as fresh fruit or to be processed into the products such as fermented drinks for grape juice that contain alcohol, commonly called wine, dried into raisins, and for industrial purposes such as jams and jellies. Now, shall we proceed to the classification? Kingdom Plantae, phylum Magnolioptida, class Magnoliopsida, ordo Ramsnalel, family Betacea, genus Betis, species Betis vinifera L. So that's all for today. Thank you.
The next topic is disease control. The first disease is powdery mildew disease. This disease has symptoms that caused by the fungus Plamopara viticold. The symptom like the fungus attack the leaves, shoots, and young fruit. Attacks on shoot tips cause dryness and breakage. The second, attacks on the upper side of the leaf are marked with greenish yellow spots that are not firmly defined. Third, attack on young fruit causes gray rot. And fourth, condition favorable for the development of pathogens are low temperature, high humidity. Rain also can trigger an epidemic. To control this disease, we can do grow-resistant cultivars, reduce garden humidity, sanitize the garden by pruning infected shoots and fruit. Plants are protected with organic fungicides, and plants protected by plastic roofs during the rainy season. The second disease is Refrost disease. This disease has symptoms. Refrost disease is an important disease in grapes because the rust pustules produced by the fungus can interfere with the photosynthesis process. In severe infection, the entire underside of the leaves is covered with yellow rusty pustules, and the leaves will soon fall off. Disease plants only have few leaves, little shoot growth, so that the nutritional needs of photosynthesis are not met and ultimately reduce the quantity and quality of fruit. Inoculum is often found on the surface of grape leaves that have fallen to the ground so that they are easily scattered by the wind. The fungus thrives in an environment with high humidity. To control this disease, we can do prevention and control of leaf rust that can be done in the following ways. First, spraying fungicides with active mancozeb ingredients such as Titan M45, Titan 4030F, Fondozeb 80, WIP, WP, Trimiltox 65 WP, Nemisfor 80 WP, Binomyl, example, benlate, copper oxychloride as an active ingredient, for example, cuprafate OB21, and 2, spraying sulfur.
And then the next is anthracnose. The symptom is Anthracnose disease attack the fruit, leaves, and young branches. The cause is the fungus Glomerella cingulata, which belongs to the fungus Gliosporium sp. In dry and humid conditions and in the rainy season, anthracnose disease develops well. On the leaves that are attacked by the disease will appear brown spots. The spots will expand and settle with blackish edge. Then, at the center of the spot, an orange spore mass grows. Infection on the fruit also appears small spots, which will then also expand. Anthracnose, the way to control it is anthracnose prevention and control include infected leaves, branches, and fruit are pruned and then destroyed. And then the second is keep the garden temperature not damp. And then the third, spraying with fungicides with active benomyl ingredients such as benlate, with active ingredients in Captan such as 7 altan 50 WP.
And the next disease is downy mildew disease. Symptom: a minor disease of grapes because it can reduce fruit production up to 17%. This disease attacks during the rainy season and spread rapidly, especially after night rains. This disease caused by Plasmipara viticola. Attack symptom: on the upper side of the leaves appear greenish yellow spot with indistinct border. Then the spots expand and turn brown. Wither on the underside, the spots are white, powdery coating occur. Eventually, the leaf become dry and fall off. Symptoms can also appear on young stem, tendrils, flower stalk, and fruit. Attacks on fruit stalk or fruit are the size of a pepper, cause rotten fruit to the blackish brown, dry, and fall off. How to control it? The first is reduce garden humidity. Second is pruning disease twig, reduce the source of infection. The third, disease and fallen leaf are collected and then burned. The fourth, use of plastic roofs on the roof during the rainy season.
So the last is conclusion. The grapes, Vitis vinifera, is fruit plant in the form of vine, which are now widely cultivated in Indonesia. It can be divided into two types, namely lowland type and medium to highland type. One of important components that interfere with the productivity grapes is susceptibility of grapes to disease. Diseases that attack orchid plant are downy mildew, powdery mildew, leaf rust, and anthracnose. Control can be done manually, such as sanitation and allowing plant to be attacked by disease. And the biochemical means using pesticide. And thank you for your attention. If you have a question, you can write in this paragraph. Thank you.